Monogram Dryer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in monogram dryers that consist of monogrammed gas dryers, monogram electric dryers, monogram front-load dryers, and monogram top-load dryers, along with all other monogram models. If you are having problems with your monogram dryer, such as the dryer won't start, you need a monogram dryer belt replacement, your monogram dryer stops turning during the cycle, the dryer won't turn at all, dryer takes too long, the dryer's too hot, the dryer doesn't heat, dryer trips the breaker, dryer makes noise, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.